Okay, so hi everyone. We're the student feedback team, and this is our final demo of our product, the automated learning assistant.
Okay, this is just a quick rundown of our demo today. We'll be starting off with some information about our product. Then we'll talk about our MVP, and then we'll talk about who we are right now. And finally, we will do a live demo of our website.
Hello there, I'm Paul. I'm the front-end developer.
Hello, I'm Ayush. I'm one of the two backend developers.
Okay, Samir.
Samir, we can't hear you,
Uh,
but it's all right. We can keep going.
Okay.
okay, so hi, I'm Ariman. I'm the product manager.
Hi, I'm Ashish. I'm a front-end developer.
Hi, I'm Ishan. I'm the team lead.
And I see Samir there, the back-end dev, working to get his mic fixed. They're good.
Hello?
Yeah, we got you.
Oh, nice.
There you go.
Perfect.
Sweet.
Oh yeah. Do you want to introduce yourself?
Hi, I'm the other backend developer. My name is Samir. Thank you guys.
All right.
Awesome.
Okay, so who were we before we embarked on this journey of an incubator, right? So we didn't have much experience with sort of building a professional level product, and we didn't have experience with these technologies, Django, GPT-3, Git, and GitHub, and we didn't really know how to work in a professional setting. But what we could do, what we could do was that we could learn on our own, and we could really figure it out on how we can build a professional level product and hone our professional skills, right? And and we were motivated enough that we could build this professional level product.
So the problem that we have to address with this product, or the problem that we have right now, is that when trying to research something, there's a lot of information being that is obtained, which can overload students when trying to obtain this information. And in fact, 20% of Americans say that they feel overloaded with information, according to the Pew Research Center. In addition, by trying to process these information, students are also wasting time as well, trying to just look for the required information that they want to address their problems. And that by researching and then continuing to get a ton of information, this type of process helps discourage students to continue looking for information.
So at the start of the incubator, we wanted to make something that would solve all of these problems. When we were making our product spec, we had a vision for what our product would turn out like. We wanted to make a product that helps people learn new things. It gives them guidance on how they can learn about a topic. It gives simple and comprehensible responses to questions and provides resources to maximize efficiency. All in all, we wanted this product to be perfect for a user to get a quick grasp on a concept without having to spend ages researching it.
All right, so we can go over our MVP now. So a bit of our final product features. So we have the site up and running, and currently it can provide concise AI-generated explanation that a user will be able to understand without feeling overloaded with information, and just a simple explanation that they'll be able to get. It'll also give a roadmap on how the user can learn more about the topics and give a bit of guidance based off the question to learn more. It'll provide some relevant links in case they want to learn more about the topic, as well as a brief summary of the link in case they want to check it out before they go to it. A couple of the backend features are cache results. So if a search was run once, it doesn't have to be run every single time. Some validation to make sure the users aren't just putting random characters in, and then some settings to improve the design.
Okay, so our tech stack is that we initially used Figma to design the base website design or layout, and then we used Bootstrap, HTML, CSS, and JavaScript to create a functioning, dynamic, and a visually appealing website. For the backend, we have Django to run the entire website. We implemented async IO, GPT-3 API, TF IDF for summarization, bit of a soup, and search engine parser to basically formulate the responses.
Okay, so we employed a lot of different best practices in making our product and like making it a professional level product. So in order to get the first sketch, the first design of our website, we used Figma as that's the best practice. And for that, after that, we converted this Figma design into Bootstrap and then added more to it to make a functional dynamic website that it looks appealing. And we used Django and JavaScript to run the backend tasks and make the website fully functional. And in order to get good results from GPT-3, we use prompt engineering. And we use caching to decrease the time of the responses and to decrease the usage of tokens. And we also use GitHub to document our project, to collaborate whenever we want to push our code to GitHub to see each other's code. And then we also use Product Hunt to get feedback for our product and improve our product from users, right?
So throughout the course of this incubator, we learned how to design, develop, and deploy a professional website. We created a working Django backend with various components. We gained soft skills like delivering demos, pitching to new users, following best practices, and learning on the go. In the future, we can use what we learned to develop other professional products of our own. We can use Django in future products. We can work in professional environments. We can collaborate in teams, and we can adapt to newer technologies.
Now it's the live demo time. So let me present the website. So here's the website. Can everyone see this?
Yeah.
Okay, awesome. So currently we have our search page. So this is where you input your prompt. And here's pretty much a brief overall summary of the project and instructions on how to use our project. And here's our team. So let's search a random question. So let's say, how do you deliver a good demo? Let's have that as the question. And let's have our number of results before with start theme and a roadmap included. And here's our loading page, and it should redirect us to the results page once we have all the results ready. Yep, and here's our results. So first we have the GPT-3 generated simple explanation or solution to the question. We have our roadmap, we have our results, and then as we can see here, we have the links, relevant links as well. In this case, we have a link going back to American Express, kind of interesting. And here's the summary generated by TF IDF. And let's just feature our caching. So let's set it to 2. And let's see.
It might have been just quicker to re-enter it.
Yeah.
Instead of reloading. But same thing should happen.
Yep.
Yeah.
Here's the results. And do any one of you want to give a question or a prompt so that way we could input it?
I'd love to hear if anyone has a question in the chat. This looks great. So looking at it, you've got your overall summary. How do you deliver a good demo? And then you've got your roadmap. So you're planning, you're preparing your materials, you're practicing, delivering, and following up. You know, I love it. Do we have anything? How do I make the best grilled cheese?
Nice. Okay, let me paste that in. Okay. Let's go with 3 results. And here we have the results for how do I make the best grilled cheese.
You gotta let us read them for a sec.
Oh yeah, sure.
Hey, not too bad. Awesome. Cool stuff.
Okay, I see another one. How do I become a servant leader? Let's add
So,
it in.
just want to make sure we got time. Do we have the rest of the demo, or are we wrapping up here?
Okay, so we still have one more. So we have Ishan to present.
All right,
Yep.
let's get to that real quick.
Great.
Yeah, I just wanted to put some final words out that I was really amazed at how well this team worked. Because I'll be honest that like me starting my first semester of college as well, like I was not like the like most like involved every day. I was not able to just honestly crunch of time, but like it was so amazing to be like reading through their group chats that I would do every day. I would go through every single message and I'd just be like, I'd see these things where it's like, oh, I noticed this feature. Oh, I'm issuing a pull request on GitHub. Oh, I'm doing this. Like it sounded like a professional team. Like I literally felt like I was in a Slack channel at a company. And I was like, it was so professional how like immediately people were like firing away, answering questions, asking questions, technical documentation. And sometimes I'd step in and be like, oh, maybe we can meet and figure this out in HTML. And sometimes we'd meet, we try things out. It was very amazing. And the fact that it required like very little from my side apart from the beginning. They just kind of took off on their own. And I am very honored to have worked with this team. They did a really amazing job.
Awesome stuff. Well, round of applause. Killer demo, killer product. Would love to see it.